Welcome to ecopenny. This is a video about overnight camping, the gear that you need and how much is it going to weigh. I'm going to do an overhaul of my gear. I've got a few new items I've purchased. See what the new weight for the end of 2024 as a base weight without food and water is. Let's go! So got the Kathmandu Interloper 70 litre pack. That weighs 2.5 kilos empty. Not the lightest pack, but it's quite tough for going through rocks or bad scrubby country. It's not going to get torn. Could upgrade that later. The top of the pack has got different items. So that goes in the top lid here. The lighter items. The two bottles go in the side pockets. So got gloves, containers to heat dehydrated food, head torches, compass, battery pack to charge phones and things, emergency rubber gloves and face shield for CPR, emergency CD to reflect at helicopters, yellow material to put down for better visibility, sunglasses, binoculars, pen torch, other knickknacks. And that'll be in the description in the packing list as well. Bottom of the pack we've got the main sleeping bag that's got the liner and the silver emergency safety blanket, which can be used for emergencies, and also underneath the mattress for a bit of extra insulation and warmth. Day pack folds up. Garbage bags, they're good for dirty washing or wet clothes, anything like that. Toiletries, toilet paper, shovel, basic toiletries, little towel. So that all goes in the bottom section of the pack. We've got the main section. So it's got the Mountain Designs Positron 2-person tent, thermarest, air mattress, puffy jacket, rain jacket, underwear, thermals for PJs or emergency uses, crocs, pack liner, your billy, phone and wallet, waterproof bags, little solar light for the tent, food bag that's got a bowl and sporks and stuff like that, pad to sit on, little screen homemade for the burner to stop wind. So there's no food in these weights. That's all the gear that's going to fit in the overnight pack. So the weights are in the description, but the top flap is 1.3 kilos. The pack is 2.5 kilos empty. The main items are 7.5 kilos and the bottom compartment's 1.8 kilos. So we're going to weigh the whole lot and hopefully all those weights add up. So there you have it, the whole pack is packed. Let's see how much it weighs. 13 kilos, I'm happy with that. That's without food. If you can see it, roughly 13 kilos. So 13 kilos, that's without water and without food. I'm really happy with that. So typically, two of these bottles is 1.2 kilos and the food could easily be another kilo or two, so you could probably bring it up to 15-ish with a bit of food and water. Depends on how many days you're going and how hot it is and is there water at the destination, all that sort of thing. But 13 kilos base weight without food and water, I'm really happy with that. So got the new Aldi down sleeping bag and the UberLite mattress are fairly new, lightweight items. The actual pack itself could be changed to a lighter one as time goes on. We'll see what happens, but so it has been an improvement, a decrease in the base weight. I'm happy with that. The other thing too. There is a bit of safety gear in there. There's a PLB. There's those rubber gloves for sub-zero temperatures. So it depends on exactly where you're going. I might take out a few items. So it's just a baseline amount of clothing and equipment. So I hope that was useful and interesting.